Okay, good evening, everybody. Okay, friends, good evening once again. Actually, sharp 5 start చేయాలి 5 minutes లేట్ అయింది చాలా మంది ఇంకా రావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఎనీహో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి వచ్చిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా వన్స్ అగైన్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరు అందరూ ఇక్కడ స్పెషల్ గా బాగా వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా టీచర్స్ మీది. ఓకే మేడం, I can speak in English and Telugu also, no problem, because moreover teachers are Telugu medium, that's why I'm speaking in Telugu. Okay, anyhow. Okay, once again, good evening, everybody. Now we are going to start our webinar, free webinar. Let us have a glance on the webinar. So this webinar is only meant for teachers. This art integrated education. Okay, so we will know that what is art integrated education and what is meant for this, how we are going to implement in our classrooms, everything we are going to learn at a glance in 1 hour. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Seethapati, Principal, Kalam College of Education. I'm basically teacher educator, psychologist and art therapist, moreover origami artist. As a hobby, I developed this origami artist. I think everybody know about the origami. Origami means, gami means paper, ori means folding, paper folding. Simply say paper folding. So this is actually Japanese, the ancient age-old art. But nowadays, this art using from LKG to up to NASA, people are using. Even IIT, Kharagpur, Kanpur, everybody is using these concepts. So keeping in view that from last 6 years, I'm almost more than 15,000 students I taught this origami from LKG to engineering. I used to go to NIT Tadepalligudem also. Okay. Okay, dear friends, if you have any doubts, just note down in the white paper. And at the end of the session, I'll clear all your doubts. Okay, today we are going to have a small seminar and discussion on the art integration, so towards experiential learning. So now we'll have a look at what is art integration. Actually, this is implementing by the NEP, National Education Policy 2020, is based on the NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005. So art integration, before knowing the art integration means, it's a simple, I'll tell you the detail, we're going to in detail later. Okay, so art integration means integrating the art and curriculum. Everybody knows the art education. Here art education is entirely different than art integration. Art education means only art will teach by the art teachers, like music, drawing, all that. You know very well about that. Okay, the teachers means only subject, they will teach only subject. But here our concept is the regular subject teachers, maths, physics, chemistry, Telugu, English, whatever it is, from LKG to +2. So these teachers has to integrate the art. So it means we have to coordinate with the art teachers. Art teachers have to coordinate with the subject teachers. Subject teachers have to coordinate with art teachers. Sometimes it may not be available. Then the subject teachers has to learn the basic little bit art. So through the art, we have to teach different types of subjects. Okay, let us have. The next. See, this is actually based on the NCF. I think you might have heard about the NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005. Okay, so actually this curriculum framework, its main work is connecting to knowledge to life outside the school and making examinations more flexible and integrating them with the classroom. There are many the duties of the NCF 2005. I don't want to discuss all the details about the NCF. Second thing, National Education Policy 2020. So recently, the National Education Policy 2020 is going to be implemented. You all know that in our education system, tremendously changes are coming. You know that in the intermediate is mixing with the high schools, and all the graduation schools are going to be 4 years integrated. There are many changes going to come. In that, one part is art integration. Already CBSE syllabus are implementing, and CBSE board already issued the GO, and up to +2 they are preparing the lessons, lesson plans, projects, everything. But in our state government is not yet implemented. Okay, next. Before art integration, we should know what is art. Everybody will think that art means taking a white pencil or pen and drawing some colors. That is not only art. Okay, art, the basic means art is a creative expression. Actually, the ancient system, ancient tribals, all the things, they are used to art for communication language. Actually, art is called the communication language. Art is the creative expression of an individual. This expression can be verbal, written, and enactment, or it can be visual or any other form as to potential or the ability to communicate thoughts. Actually, if you have many thoughts, the artist means even music. There are many arts. Now we are going to discuss this. Okay. Next. So then you have an idea about the art. So what is arts integration? Now we'll look at that. Okay, friends, here see. Is art integrated learning simple? The code language is called AIL, art integrated learning, art integrated teaching, art integrated projects, like that. So it is a small framework of experiential learning. It helps learners to use their own convenience and comfortable way to provide an equitable learning environment for every type of learner. This art, see, another thing is, see, art means the many things. See, role play is also art. I'm going to discuss all things: role play, dance, music, painting, paper folding, and photography. All these things are comes in art. Arts integration is an approach to teaching. See, it is integration means this is a small approach. You have many approaches in teaching. You know, you already read in the B.Ed. There are many methods, approaches. Okay. See, this is another new approach is to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. See, if you want to teach in mathematics, if you want to teach a science, or if you want to teach English language, so there you can use art as a form, and through the art, for example, if you want to teach in English, is a drama, so you can ask the students to make the role play and ask them to make a small the mask and act as a real actor. Okay, students engage in creative process. See, in the art process, what will happen? Student will be the not passive; he will be active, and he will try to show his creativity. So, which connects an art form and another subject area and meets evolving subjects in both. Now, next, let's see. See, just to have a look at this. This is this girl is my online student. She learned the Warli art from me, and she made very creative artworks. Just look at this.
Hello friends, my name is Hasida. I am studying 2nd class. I am learning Warli art from Sitapati sir. I am enjoying his teaching. Now, I will show you some of my Warli drawings. These are human beings.
Dear teachers, you can observe backside, that is my online teaching. See, they took photography, videography, and they mixed all the things. Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Hasida. I am studying 2nd class. Now, I will show you some of my Warli drawings. These are human beings. These are birds. These are gods and goddesses. These are trees. These are animals. These are houses. These are wedding scenes. These are parents with children. Thank you, sir, for teaching me this wonderful art. Thank you.
Okay, friends. Actually, she was my online student. I think you know very well about that art. That art is called Warli art. Okay, Warli art is a traditional art of one Warli tribe from Maharashtra. Nowadays, I think you can see in all metropolitan cities, when the flyovers are there, in the flyovers down, we have a very big pillars. On the pillars, nowadays, all the Warli art. Not only that, in very, very big walls, the walls in Bangalore, all metropolitan cities. You can find that Madhubani art. All these arts from our to what is it to develop the culture. Indian government is spending a lot of money on that. Okay, now look at this. So this is how you are going to integrate the art with curriculum. Art integrated learning combines academic subjects. See, the main thing is we are discussing about academic subjects with content and skills from the arts. For example, singing, dancing. So through singing, to dancing, to role playing and storytelling, to enhance learning. The result, mastery of key curricular concepts and basic art skills. So with this, if you can teach like this, the concept of the subject will understand very easily, and students will participate actively, and their all sense organs will stimulate excellently. Okay. See, for example, not only for LKG and UKG, up to engineering, math, science, everything, you can find in the CBSE website also +1, +2. All those topics are now covering with the art integrated lesson plans, art integrated models, art integrated projects. You can find many things. Okay. So here, art means not only the simple dance, simple music, theater, puppetry, and there are many more. Okay, what is the benefits to the art integration? See, not only that, there are many benefits. Just I'm giving a small glance. See, it will help to critical thinking skills. Student buy-in. It means become active. I used to say that active participants in their learning when the arts are intentionally integrated. Empowerment and the connective learning. All these things will be developed. Next. See, here just only list of suggestive. After that, you can add on with own creativity according to your situation, according to your movement. You can act more activities. Okay. See, for example, I'm going to give some role play. You can use the role play in teaching English, Telugu, and other language subjects. And you can make the film making and video making. And nowadays, smart, what is that? Short films. Short films are making by the +1, +2 students in the CBSE schools. Photography. Through this, you can make number of activities. Through slideshows, PPTs, you can use designing through Photoshop and other apps. There are many apps nowadays. I think you might have heard about the AR, augmented reality system. Augmented reality system is nowadays they're using in the online teaching also. Augmented reality means the animated picture. You can show it to your students on the live. Visit historical places, monuments, and to make documentaries. Sketching, clay molding, sculptures, dance performance, jewelry making, paper folding art. Paper folding art means there are many types. Here, paper folding art is origami means a simple square sheet of paper without cutting, gumming, pinning, pasting, we can make n number of figures. It's a paper folding, there are many things at work. For that, we have to make a cutting, pasting, and collage work. There are many other models also there. So you can use the origami as a tool. I'll tell you the detail about the origami. Varli. So Varli is a actually tribe. So they for almost 500 years back also they used to this art for their culture to promote their culture and communicate with the language. Actually, Varli people doesn't have any written language. Okay. So Madhubani, mandala art. So mandala art means you some of our teachers well known about this. Mandala is round. See in the we'll write the circle. The circles of geometrical shape based on the geometrical will make a pictures. That is called mandala art. This mandala art also we can use teaching the mathematical concepts, and we can use this Varli art to teach the mathematical concepts, and we can conduct art exhibitions and puzzles. We can use the puzzles like Tangram. I think some of the teachers might know the Tangram. That also I'm going to introduce you. The Tangram is 7 pieces will be there, several different geometrical shapes. In that, 2 big triangles, 2 small triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 parallelogram, and 1 square. With the 7 pieces, we can make n number of figures. So while making, left hemisphere and right hemisphere will be developed. Eye and hand coordination will be done. See, art integrated learning, the future of creative and joyful pedagogy. So recently, 2020 policy they announced. So almost within the future, within the 4 or 4 years, all the private schools and government has to implement this art integrated teaching and lesson plans. Okay. The teacher should integrate arts. See, first point is teachers is the main role in this art integrated learning, art integrated teaching learning process. The teacher should integrate arts as a pedagogical tool for classroom projects. If you want to teach a mathematics, if you want to teach a biological science, if you want to teach any other subjects, so first of all, you have to make a lesson plan, you know very well. But lesson plan, you should think that which art we can use it. That is a drama, Raven method, Photoshop, or paper folding, or any other things. So before that, you should have an idea about the different types of arts. So the focus must be on mutual reinforcing art as a subject and art as a tool for learning with efforts towards seamless integration. Okay? Then we come to the collaborative teaching. What do you mean by collaborative? Collaborative means combination of subject teachers and artists. This is the main important thing. But sometimes you can say that, sir, this is not possible. Why? Because, sir, our art teachers only comes weekly once only. They'll come and they'll simply make some drawings and they'll go away. See, here main problem is art teachers doesn't have the idea of the subjects. Subject teachers doesn't have an idea of art. This is the main, what is that gap between this. This, I want to fulfill that. For that only, what I'm suggesting all the subject teachers, why can't you learn the basic arts? Very simple arts which you can learn within a week. You need not hard work. So simple the geometrical shapes and simple folding, you can learn many arts. So if you can learn these arts, your teaching will be very easy and your students will be very active and very creative. Okay, next. Arts integrated learning will support teachers' assessment of application skills of the students in this subject. It will be very easy to teach subjects and your students will love like anything. Next. See, this is some models I'm going to show you that origami. I already told you the origami. Origami means I'm going to give a hands-on experience with this within 10 minutes. Okay, just have a look at this. See, with a single square sheet of paper, without cutting, gumming, pinning, pasting, just have a look here, origami birds, origami dresses, all these things Sorry. So now is it clear? Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. I think now is it clear? Mistakenly it goes to mute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the ignorance. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, dear friends, this is origami birds. So not only birds, there are many models because I can't show you all the things at a stretch, but just I'm giving one few models. Next. See, you can use this origami as a tool to integrate the art and these regular subjects. Butterfly life cycle. If you want to make the model of butterfly life cycle, see, this is all the simple square sheet of papers. Just you can make butterfly life cycle, frog life cycle. Not only that same, you can ask, you can not ask, you can make n number of models. You can make the DNA model, you can make a cube model. See, if you can learn this origami art as teachers, it's very wonderful, the art. You can make anything. If you want to make a diamond model within 5 seconds, maximum. If you are expert, 5 seconds. Otherwise, it will take only 2 minutes. 2 minutes is hardly 2 minutes. So you can make diamonds. You can make a cuboids. And another thing is, if you are a mathematics teacher, through a square sheet of paper, you can tell a plus b whole square very easily. A plus b whole cube. A minus all the mathematics concepts you can teach very easily with this art. Suppose if you want to teach in the angles, take a square sheet of paper and fold it. Inside there will come many angles, and you can tell that the types of triangles, types of angles, all this you can teach very easily with the origami. And you can make the projects like this on your own. Next. See, this is only some, there are many arts of this art forms. This is up to LKG to up to engineering. You can use this arts, architecture, landscaping, typography, drawing, calligraphy, collage work, electronic. There are many arts are there. You can use anything. Film, video, jewelry design, performing arts, illustration arts, and so many. Yeah. Now I'm going to introduce one art, that is Varli art, how we are going to integrate. See, for example, I'm taking only one art, but you can integrate many arts, like I already told you that, what is it, drama, play methods, all the things. Now I'm going to tell you the one sample model. See, for example, this is called Varli art. I think many teachers might have heard about Varli art. This Varli art, if you can observe, the mathematics teachers, if you can observe, or primary teachers can observe, see, here we are using two congruent triangles, equal triangles, okay? Just circles, that's it. So in this art, if you know, or any student, those who can hold a pen pencil and can draw triangle space, they can learn very easily this art. For example, from second class students onwards, you can learn it, okay? See. For example, if you want to teach this mathematical shapes through art, see. 1 minute. Okay. See, for example, this I'm going to show you the details here. See, for example, one kid was playing and was able to form a line. For example, if you want to teach angles, triangles, squares of the concepts in the classrooms. So you can draw this picture on the blackboard or whiteboard. You can tell. This is one way. Another way is ask all the students to go to, if you have the facility of the ground, ask them to take ground and ask the students to form one kid like this and ask another kid form like this and ask them to see what is here. It's a triangle. See, it's an angle. What angle it is? Then ask the student, another student, then it form the triangle. You can draw or you can ask the students to play along with them. This is wonderful subject. See, what will happen, students will understand the concept and they will enjoy like anything. For example, see, and after that, ask the 4 students to stand with the straight hands, or you can draw on the board. You can draw very easily. You need not say, sir, I'm not an artist. No, no need of artist. No need of artistic skills. Any teacher can draw. See, this is one more. If you can, one more. So here students can understand, if I add 2, what will happen? If I add 3 in the time, what will happen? And 4, then 5. Like that, you can tell the concepts of the geometrical shapes very easily. One more, and they were able to form a hexagon like this. So when it will increase, so students will understand how the circle will form. And not only that, if you can learn about the Varli art and the history of these things, you can tell that what is Varli art, and you can tell the heritage, history, and culture. And students will understand that, okay, this is also one of the part of our India, so Maharashtra, and there Varli tribe is there. They are used to do all the things, and government is spending a lot of money to develop the tribal art. All these things you can tell in the early stages. Okay, this is a wonderful model. And see here, all these things, say, during pandemic, almost 1.5 year pandemic, you know very well how we have suffered everything. But during the pandemic, before that, I used to go to the schools and offline. But during the pandemic, I conducted all these arts in different dates. Actually, this is outdated, over. Just I want to show you for your reference only. See, in the center, if you can observe the origami. Origami, I already explained you. Then you go to kirigami. I'm going to introduce all the types of arts, okay, which I know which we can integrate with your lesson plans. That's why I'm discussing all the things here, okay. So origami already explained. Kirigami, what is the kirigami? So gami means paper, kiri means cutting. In Japanese language, kiri means cutting, ori means folding. So when you add the ori means only folding, no cutting. Kirigami means it will come the cutting. I'll show you all the models, some of the models I have. Okay, next, it comes proper tangram. Tangram means, just now I explained you, 7 pieces will be there. That also I'm going to show you right now. Okay, Varli art. Just now I told you that how to make the Varli art. Okay, fingerprint art. In Telugu, veli mudrato vela bommalu. Okay, you know the fingerprints. Okay, see, fingerprints, not only thumbprint, all the fingerprints, we can make thousands of pictures. This also I conducted during pandemic. There are many students attended online. They enjoyed a lot. See, with this, what will happen when the students will put a color on the fingers, and will put the print, and by pencil or sketch they'll add the different strokes. With that, they can make the creative arts. That also I'm going to show you. So this origami and kirigami and tangram, Varli and finger arts, you can integrate your subjects irrespective of your subjects. If you can learn the basic idea of this, every teacher should have this thing. Another thing is book folding art. So book folding art means you can use the old diaries. Just you can take the diaries and fold in the different patterns in the system will be there. If you can learn that, you can make beautiful models. If you want, you can make on your face on the book. You can fold it. You can fold animals, birds, or whatnot. Anything you can make it. Okay. This also I'm going to deal. Next. And tomorrow I'm going to conduct one morning, one session is there, one origami fun way. This is a multiplication table through origami fun way. See, in the origami, one model is there. If you can use that model, with the model, you can they teach the mathematicals very easily. That also I'm going to show you now. Okay. This is another art, pulled string art. This also I conducted and I got very good response. Okay. And another thing is mandala and Gentangle art. See, this also will be useful for integrating art. See here, whatever I discussed, all the things is, if you can learn this art, the minimum basic things, you can integrate your subject excellently. See, in the month of August, all Sundays, I think 5 Sundays will come. Okay, all 5 Sundays, I'm going to conduct a special workshop, that is paid workshop. That will be very nominal fees only. The paid workshop. In the paid workshop, only for teachers, I'm going to conduct the 5 Sundays. Every Sunday 2 hours, total 10 hours. In that you can learn the basics of all the arts, how to integrate that, how to make a lesson plans. Also, I'm going to discuss in that paid workshop. Okay. Next. This is the thing, my art integration workshop will be there for teachers, and Sunday workshops only 10 hours, 5 Sundays and times. Actually, this fees cost is 2,000 rupees, but for you only we are charging only 1,000 rupees. Okay. So if anybody have interest, just to take a screenshot this, we'll discuss later. So now we are going to make a hands-on experience. So now we are going to make hands-on experience. I'm going to teach some models so that you can get it. Okay, so just to take a screenshot, we'll discuss later. Okay, now we are going to make a hands-on experience. Okay, now I'm going to change my camera. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, teachers and friends who are participants, take your A4 paper. Take a A4 paper. Okay. Take a A4 paper and fold it like a triangle. After folding a triangle, when you'll get extra piece of rectangle, you cut it. I want a square sheet. Okay, I think you understood. So if you have the rectangle sheet, how to make a rectangle sheet into the one square paper? Take a A4 paper and fold it like a triangle, and whatever the extra piece will be there, just you have to remove it, so that you will get a square. So now I want a square sheet of paper. Okay, friends, keep 2 or 3, make it ready. Just I'll give a 5 minutes time. I hope everybody have only A4 papers. Okay, take A4 papers, 4 papers or 3 papers, and make it a square. See, first I'm going to teach the origami, and after that I'll go to Warli. Okay, after that I'm going to teach the tangram also. I'm going to introduce. Okay. See, why I'm teaching all the things is free of cost, because if you can have an idea what is origami, what is Warli art, whether I can do it or not. Many of the teachers are, it is very difficult, can I do or not? So that you will get confidence after making this. Okay. So just put thumbs up if you everybody have the square sheet of paper, then put thumbs up. సో అందులో స్క్వేర్ షీట్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్స్ ఒక 2 or 3 రెడీ చేసుకోండి. రెడీ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత థమ్స్ అప్ పెట్టండి. ఒక A4 పేపర్ ని స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి, అదే చేయాలంటే రెక్టాంగిల్ షీట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ట్రయాంగిల్ గా ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి. ఎక్సెస్ పీస్ కనబడుతుంది కింద రెక్టాంగిల్ గా, అది కట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మీకు స్క్వేర్ తయారైపోతుంది. ఓకే. Okay, in the meanwhile, just observe here. See, this is our model. I think some people might have heard about this. This is called, what is that, fortune teller. But it's not only fortune teller. With this, we can teach the many models. With this model, we can teach, see, observe here. We can teach fractions. And inside answers will be there. So if you can learn this model concept and how to make this, once you can understand, you can make not only the fractions you can use for adding, subtracting, and telling that the solar systems, all the many models you can make with this model. Okay, once you know this. Suppose this will, for the students, this will be very fun art. And see, here, observe here, many models. Okay, I'll wait for another 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, keep it at the square sheet of papers. Sir, Prasanna sir, I'll talk in the last time with the Martartha. Okay, I'll discuss with regarding that. I couldn't understand what is that. Prasanna sir, last time we made. Okay, friends, now we are going to make one origami model. Okay, for that I need a square sheet of paper. So if you have any A4 paper will be in the rectangle. So if you have the A4 paper, then make it A4 paper into square. So if you know, okay, otherwise take a A4 paper and fold it like a triangle with corners. And after that, you'll find one rectangle piece. This you'll cut it, remove it. Automatically, you'll find one square. This is a simple technique to making a rectangle into square. Okay. So once you complete, just put thumbs up to flash the screen. Thumbs up. Then I'll start. సార్ ఏదో క్లియర్ గా చూపించమని అడుగుతున్నారు ఎవరో. క్లియర్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఇది ఒక A4 పేపర్ తెలుసు కదా, రెక్టాంగిల్ షీట్. సో రెక్టాంగిల్ షీట్ తీసుకుని దాన్ని స్క్వేర్ షీట్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. సో ఐ నీడ్ ఫర్ స్క్వేర్ షీట్. సో మీ దగ్గర A4 పేపర్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మీరు స్క్వేర్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే వెరీ సింపుల్. మీరు ట్రయాంగిల్ గా ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి. చేసిన ఎక్సెస్ పీస్ వస్తుందండి. ఈ ఎక్సెస్ పీస్ తీస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మీకు స్క్వేర్ తయారైపోతుంది. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్ థింగ్, ఎవ్రీబడి నోస్ దట్. Okay, friends, first to take a, I hope everybody is ready. Okay. First take a square sheet of paper. Fold it like a rectangle. Rectangle అంటే తెలుసు కదా, మరి చిన్న పిల్లలు ఉంటే చూస్తారు. రెక్టాంగిల్ అంటే దీని సరిగ్గా హాఫ్ ఇలా ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి. While folding, you see that all four corners should touch. And after folding, just put center and crease like this. So take a square sheet of paper, fold it like a rectangle. Once fold, crease cheyalandi. After making crease, open it. Okay. Students and teachers just observe. ఏదో సింపుల్ గా ఏదో ఫన్ ఆర్ట్ గా తీసుకోకండి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ స్క్వేర్ షీట్ లో అద్భుతమైన ప్రాపర్టీస్, దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ హియర్. విత్ దిస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వీ కెన్ మేక్ సాటిలైట్ లాంచింగ్ మోడల్స్ ఆల్సో. స్క్వేర్ షీట్ లో ఉన్న ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏంటి, వెన్ యూ ఫోల్డ్ ఇట్ ఆటోమేటికలీ ఇవి రెక్టాంగిల్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, ఇదే దీన్ని మళ్ళా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్స్ ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ జియోమెట్రికల్ షేప్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. So you have to observe the geometrical shapes and simultaneously ask the students to observe the geometrical shapes. Okay. For example, దీంతో boat model చేయొచ్చు, diamond చేయొచ్చు, parallelogram. There are many models you can do it. Okay. Okay. After that, turn it, and again opposite side. But a rectangle is fold. Fold it like a rectangle. See, while learning this origami, not only for making a fun art, not only making a teaching aids, it will help students to develop their motor skills. Sir, please wait, sir. Please wait. Okay. Sir, ఇది చెప్పేటప్పుడు కొంతమందికి ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసి ఉండొచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్. బట్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో టీచ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్. ఓకే. 4 cups or 5 cups and step by step చెప్తున్నప్పుడు వినండి. ఓకే. So if you know, you can do it. Okay. So, okay, dear children, see, after making a triangle, just observe here. Again, observe 4 parts. Suppose if you want to make a one square into 4 parts, suppose if you want to teach for LKG students or first standard or second standard, those who doesn't have the concept of the geometrical shapes, you can teach through the square sheet of paper also. We can give it the square sheet of paper to the students and ask them to fold and observe here. Beta, dekho isme kya hai? Just observe here. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. See, if you can teach in this manner from LKG to 10th class, I'm guiding you. Okay. See, if you can teach. So after that, ask the students to take what is a crayon and ask them to make a 4 parts different colors. Then they can identify, oh, this is a square. Square means the shape. So while doing that, he will enjoy making the colors, and simultaneously their motor skills, fine motor skills and gross motor skills will be automatically developed. Okay, this is the activities. Okay, and after that, see, in the center point, you have to make one triangle. First, while making triangle, this center point should touch here. Okay, then crease it. See, in the same pattern, we have to make all 4 corners. Okay. So this is called 4 cups. Okay. Close all 4 corners. I'll wait for 10 to 20 seconds because I'll give you sufficient time to fold. Okay, once you complete this, turn it back side. Turn it back. Again here, again you have to make 4 cups like this, same. In all 4 corners. Actually, some of the students will use this for only fortune telling, for playing a game. But with this model, we can teach mathematics, we can teach fractions, geometrical shapes, we can teach solar panel systems, we can teach many teaching methods by the playing method. This we can integrate in the teaching process. Okay, friends? See, మీరు బ్యాక్ సైడ్ టర్న్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 4 cups మీరు వేయాలి. Okay. Once 4 cups, I hope everybody is complete 4 cups. Okay? Then fold it like a rectangle. Then fold it like a rectangle. Okay? Then take first 2 fingers here, I put it here, and take another 2 fingers, one thumb and one index finger, put it like this. Okay. See, then hold it like this. 1, 2. See, if you can, this is a, if you can give it to the LKG, UKG students, it's a fun art. Okay. And for LKG to 10th class, how we can use this, I'm going to tell you now. Please listen. Okay. See, for example, if you are LKG teacher or UKG teacher, pre-primary teacher, you can do on your own and you can distribute all the 20-30 students. If your students unable to do it, just you can make, this is very low cost only. You can use the only A4 papers also, waste papers also you can use. So don't think that, sorry, the cost is or effects or college school teachers can't afford, I can't afford. No, you need not tell all the things because you can have the sufficient papers. Okay. You ఒక రోజు కూర్చుని మీరు ఒక 10-20 స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికి పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా LKG పిల్లలందరికీ ఇవ్వండి. Ask them to play this. While playing for LKG, I'm telling you, after that I'm going to up to 10th class, I'm going to tell you the first, listen the pre-primary teachers. See, we got colors వేసుకోండి. You can apply here colors, red color, blue color, like that you can color. Ask them, student, which color you want. See, you get that, you can color it. For example, there are many models. So present, I don't have that. Suppose if you can do like this. So ask the students to move like this. When you see red, it will stop red. After stopping that, just inside, you can put different subjects. Suppose, for example, this model is there, for example. So inside, you can put apple or 1, 2, 3, or any animal, whatever you want, you can apply here. Just ask the students to move this, then take the, for example, here cat picture, you just imagine that. So ask the students how cat, meow meow. So what is the spelling of cat? Like that you can ask. So you can implement your subjects through this model of art. I'll show you the things. For example, see this model. Okay. Some camera lacking is a one. Suppose this is one model. See, if you can move this, it's a fraction model. See, inside fraction is there. Suppose if this fraction is, student has to tell the fraction. If he or she is unable to tell, inside you have to make the answer. Understood? So you have to make like this, answers inside, questions here, and then put like this, and you can make all these designs. Actually, in my workshop, which I'm going to conduct in that, we have the many templates are there. That templates will distribute. See, some teachers may not be do on their own. For them, there are many templates like this. Okay, all the ready-made templates here. This I'll distribute in the paid workshop. Okay, so that you can take the printouts and you can use all the models. See, if you want to tell the time, for example, from LKG students, if you want to teach the time, you can make it time. You can make number of models. So students will actively participate, will engage anything, and this is a test of art integration is one subject for LKG, UKG, first and up to 10th class. Why 10th class? See, in the 10th class model, small model is there with me. See here, chemistry formulas are there. This is similar. See here, chemistry formulas. So you can ask the 10th class students. See, while playing this, what will happen when you use the both hands? Both hemispheres will work, and eye-hand coordination will be increased, and the creativity will be developed. See, with this simple model, we can make. This is one origami is one model. Okay. Take another. This is one model. Okay. So you can apply the different subjects on this. So if you want to know more about this, if you can attend my paid workshops, there I can issue the number of templates also. I'll tell you the each lesson how to teach all the things. Okay, this is one model. Now we're going to make another one more. I think camera lacking is there. Just wait for a second. Due to internet, camera lacking is there. Okay, dear friends, take another square sheet of paper. We are going to make one more, that what is called action origami. Okay, take a square sheet of paper. Okay, friends, I hope everybody has a square sheet of paper and fold it like a triangle. First triangle. See, while folding these triangles, you can teach the students that this is a right angle triangle or congruent triangle. What is that? Isolated triangle, scalene triangle. There are many models you know very well. You can explain with this square sheet of paper. Okay. I hope everybody has completed this folding triangle. Okay. Then what you have to do? See here. First, hold it. This total part should touch in the center part. Okay. Okay. Shall I repeat again? See, it's very simple. First, very simple. First, take a square sheet of paper, fold it like a triangle. After making the triangle, you will find one center crease. You will find a center crease. You need not draw for your understanding only. I'm doing center crease. Then take right side part and fold it like this. This is called right angle triangle. See, if you're teaching higher standards like 9th class, 10th class, you can say this is right angle triangle. When you're teaching for the LKG, UKG, you may not tell. Okay. Next, once you fold right side, again fold left side also. So in the right side, we fold one right angle triangle, and left side also we folded one right angle triangle. Okay. See, after folding like this, you can find the shape. You can teach the shapes also with this. What is the shape? It is kite shape. In origami, we call it kite base. Okay. Once you finish that, with this model, we can make number of pictures like ice cream, like peacock, right, butterfly. There are many models. Okay. So once you complete this, just turn it like this. Okay. Turn it like this. After that, see, here you'll find one triangle shape. Okay. Here in the center crease also you'll find. In the right side, you have to fold one triangle. But here you won't get the right angle triangle. This is a different triangle. So student has to observe here. This is triangle. Okay. Once you fold right side, left side also you have to fold same. Okay. Once you fold, just observe the shape. Anybody can type on chart what shape it is. What shape it is? Anybody? You can chart. Yes, very good. Very good. Rhombus, diamond. Okay. See, suppose if you want to teach from lower sections, the different types of geometrical shapes, instead of drawing that, ask the students to bring the square sheet of paper and fold it like this so that they can understand what is rhombus, what is diamond, what is a parallelogram, what is a square, rectangle, all these things with a simple square sheet we can fold and we can show it. So what will happen? They'll have the experiential learning, hands-on experience, and simultaneously their impulses goes and it will develop like anything. Okay, next. See, once you complete this, okay, friends, I hope everybody is complete up to this. Then you have to make half. See, in the center you have to fold up. Now we are going to make a simple action model. Okay. See, after that, again, if you're a math teacher, just you can observe what triangle it is and ask the students to take a compass and ask them to find what is a triangle. This you can give a number of activities with this. Okay. Good. once you complete this folding, just observe here carefully. See, this is total part. Here, what you have to do, you have to fold downside. Fold downside. Give a crease. Okay. Okay, friends. Once you complete this, okay, nice. Maybe a tree or something. Okay. Okay. See, next, what you have to do after that, in the down, you find one triangle. Am I right? See, here, what you have to do. See, observe here. Here, right side, you have to make one triangle. Almost all, everything will come triangles. Okay. I'll show you the close-up. See, I'll show you the slow motion. See, slowly. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Nice. Okay. After that, again, see, in the top also, in the top side also, you have to fold right side like this. So as a teacher, while teaching all these things, as a teacher, while teaching all these models, or if you want to teach any subject, so mathematical shapes, you can ask them to identify what shape it is. If the 9th class students, ask them to calculate the area of all the things, like that you can tell. Okay, friends, I hope everybody is completed up to this. Okay, squeeze it properly. Next, what you have to do, see, now you fold in the right side. You have to fold opposite side. See, open, fold it in opposite side. Crease it. Okay, once you complete downward, upper one also you have to upside one, same right side one. Give a crease. Okay. Yeah. Actually, almost all everybody is switched off their cameras. Only one or two only switch on the cameras. I don't know whether you are doing or not, but I hope that everybody is doing and enjoying. Okay. I request all the students, teachers to switch off the cameras, not now, in the last. Okay, please. Okay, very nice. Okay. Okay, friends. After that, sir, రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే లాస్ట్ లో మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఒకసారి కెమెరాస్ ఆన్ చేసి మీరు చేసిన బొమ్మలన్నీ నాకు చూపిస్తే ఐ విల్ ఫీల్ హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, వన్స్ యూ కంప్లీట్, అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, just observe here. What the after that, just you have to fold down, fold it down like this. So once you fold down, see here what you have to do. Here you have to make a shape of triangle. See how to give a triangle. Just see, go like this and make a triangle. See here you'll find a different shape. Here you have to give a triangle shape. Upside also. Okay. Shall I repeat? Okay, I'll repeat it. See, I hope everybody is complete up to this. Okay, first one, second one also you have folded. Am I right? See, after this, what you do, hold it and fold down, downside. See, my camera is top view. Okay, అంటే మీరు కళ్ళతో ఎలా చూస్తున్నా అలాగే కెమెరా పెట్టండి. సో దట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. జస్ట్ ఇలా పట్టుకొని కిందకి ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి, ఫుల్ డౌన్. ఓకే, వన్స్ యూ ఫోల్డ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దీన్ని ఈ రెండింటితో ఇలా పట్టుకోండి, సైడ్ చేయండి. సో ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఏంటి లెవెల్ చేయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఎ లెవెల్. సో లెవెలింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి? జస్ట్ ఏం లేదు, ఇలా అనండి అంతే, ఆటోమేటిక్. సి ఫస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, ఇక్కడ హోల్డ్ చేయాలి. If you are unable to hold, it won't come. Hold చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. Then so once you complete this, this is called a dinosaur's head. This is total, it's called action origami model. Yeah, nice. Okay. See, after that, just see, you can play with this. Just after holding this, hold these two, and push it like this. Pull and push, pull and push. See how, so dinosaur head move అవుతుంది. Krishna, ఈ రెండు మూవ్ చేయి. You can play like this. Krishna Kumari. Okay, so you can play. For example, if you are going to teach lower classes, or if you are teaching engineering students, also it will be useful. So engineering students will understand what is a vertex, how it mold, whether we can put some any chip inside, and very action models, all these things they will think. But when you go to the lower classes, suppose LKG, UKG students or primary, pre-primary sections, just you can make this, give it to your students, let them play. Otherwise, if they think that they don't know what is dinosaur head, simply you can say that crow. Ask them to crow, cow, cow, cow. Then they will enjoy. And simultaneously, their motor skills and fine motors and last motor skills will develop. This will totally experiential learning. Okay. After that, you can take a sketch pen. Okay. Put eyes. Not only that, you can put some teeth like this. You can make designs on your own. This all no need to tell. You can make it creative. And if a teacher wants to teach, take a teacher, big sheet, big chart sheet, and you give it to small papers to your teachers, students. And you can take a big size of chart. It will cost only 5 rupees. Make a square and fold it like this simple folding. And you can take it to the classrooms and show it to your teachers, students. They will enjoy like anything. Okay. Like this, there are many models are there. If you want to know all these models, if you are really interested as a teacher, if you want to enhance your artistic skills, and if you want to integrate your artistic skills into your regular subjects and make a better teaching experience, you can attend my paid workshop. Okay. Next. Okay, friends. Next, we are going to make one small Warli art. Okay. So for Warli art, okay, take a sketch pen or pen, pencil, scale. Okay. For that, what you have to do, take a square sheet of paper and fold it half. Okay. And cut it, or you can put it as it is. So I want a half of the A4 sheet. Okay. That's it. See, first what you have to do. Very good. That's it. Okay. You can use the A4 also, but it will take more time to draw. Okay. If you can take a square sheet of paper and fold it half, that is called A5. Size is called half. What you have to take a scale and pencil. Okay. Draw a border, double line border. You know, double line border means like this. Minimum half centimeter should be there. Double line border. Is it visible, or shall I draw with the sketch pen? All four corners make a double line border. Okay, friends, do it now. Okay, friends. So like this it should come. Now I'm going to teach the simple model of Warli. Okay, once complete, just put thumbs up, friends. take half of the A4 paper, white paper, and take a black sketch. If you're not available, blue sketch or any pencil or whatever available, you can use it. Okay. First, you have to make a border, double line border. Okay. Once you complete the double line border, then take a black or any dark sketch. Opposite color should be there. Okay. Here, what you have to do, make a triangles like this. See, like this. See, continuous in all 4 ways you should complete. Make it fast. Okay. Once you complete one side, you have to make all 4 sides. Okay, friends, make it. See, in my regular paid workshop, you can make number of models and that will connect with the subjects. And in that workshop, I'm going to teach you some 1 or 2 models also, science, maths. We'll give the lesson plan model also in that, how to make a lesson plan. And sample lessons also will provide in that. See, for Warli art, always you should make a border, and for Warli art, you should make a triangles and space. I'll tell you how to make this. Okay, first you finish this. Okay, friends, once you complete all the 4 borders, as I shown in the screen, once you finish, put thumbs up. Okay, okay, shall I proceed? 1 minute. Okay, friends. Okay, before that, just wait for a minute. Before that, I'm going to show you some PowerPoint presentations so that you can understand. After that, you can draw here. Okay, again, I'll come back. Just once you complete this, is a masterpiece. Wait. Now I'm going to show you just watch this the PowerPoint presentation, then we can just get an idea. See, this is actually I conducted all these workshops in the pandemic situations, pandemic period, and many students have learned this. Okay, don't draw anything, just see. Okay, after that I'll tell you. See, for making any, just listen carefully, don't draw anything. Okay, please. Just I want to tell some concept of the Warli art. See, for making Warli art, the basic strokes, very easy. Why I'm telling all these things is, the many parents and teachers are, it's very difficult. I saw the Warli art, it's very difficult. No, it's very easy because we made easy while teaching. Okay. See, we concluded that. So only simple strokes. Just observe this. See, when any child can draw the simple strokes, he can perform very good Warli art. Okay, then. See, how do you start a Warli painting or anything? Okay, don't do it. Please listen. Okay, please. Start off with a simple X, then join the edges, add the neck, head, and finally hands and legs. You can leave it as is or color it. Both look equally good. Once you master the basic image, you can repeat the same to create more integrated Warli arts. Why I'm teaching all these things is, once you can get the concept, very, very easily you can learn. Otherwise, if you're not understanding the concept, it will be very difficult. You will make a lot of mistakes. Okay? Then I'll show you the presentation. Don't do it. Once complete the presentation, then I'll come to my main camera. Then I'll teach. Okay? See, if you want to draw a man, how you are going to draw? Okay. See, what you have to do, simple, make a first X. Okay. After X, see, this you can teach LKG students also. Then ask the students to close it. Then ask the students to put some spikes. See how the simply is going to change. Then ask the students to make circle. Then ask the student to put hands. That's it. This is called simple Warli man. In the Warli man, we won't use any detailing of eyes, nose, all these things. Okay. Wait, I'll tell you later how to draw all the things. Just next, observe what is the difference between these two. So only simple thing is here on third one. So what will happen? Simply by adding a simple third one, it will become one beautiful woman. Then see, after that, what is the difference between these two? This is man, this is girl. So simply if you can add these two, automatically. See how simple. Okay. Then if you get in the slide, when this is a dancing position. Like this, there are n number of pictures out there. But in my workshop, in the paid workshop, I'll teach systematically animals, birds, all these things. Okay. See here, this is working woman. Actually, the Warli art, Warli people, the tribes, they want to transform their culture into the world through this art. Okay. See if you can see how it transform from simple X to how it will become. See if you can use these pictures. Why you want to tell the congruent triangles? You can draw this. You can tell. You can tell the angles. All these things you can teach. You can integrate these subjects to your regular subjects. Okay. There are many models, all these things. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to make a simple your art piece. Okay, you can keep it as a memory of my workshop. Okay, now you can draw with pencil or anything, no problem. See, first in the left side, first make one triangle. Middle. I think you got the concept. You can draw it. So here you draw first man. See, while practice, you will get the perfection. Don't worry about the perfection. Okay. See, if you want to teach in angles, triangles, ask the students to draw. This is congruent triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is called a 60 degrees angle. And you can teach many things. Okay. Once you complete this, This is a man. Okay. See, if you have the black sketch pen, you can fill it this one. Fill this one. Okay, fill it. No problem. We have sufficient time. Don't worry. Okay, then something. Okay. Once you complete this, draw the same thing and make a woman. First make a man. Okay, put small turban here, automatically it will become woman. Then fill it. Okay, fill it. This also you fill it. See, once you start working, you can master like this. See, observe here. You can do many models. All these things models made by my students only. I think in your school subjects, one Atajanika ninth class or something, I don't know exactly. Some Atajanika name of the one poem is there. See the model of this. See, there one poet is explained that, but our artist is made the art form. See, you can find the peacock, all these things. Okay? I think there are many models. Okay, once you complete this and make it here, small child. Okay, one girl child. Okay. See, these all things you can use for storytelling or any concept making, or you can make the festival, the Diwali, all these things also you can draw. Okay. Then after that, here make one tree. Draw like this. Okay, once you complete the tree, you can make like this. Then here you make a small hut. Okay, dear teachers and dear students, see, just within half an hour, very simple. I introduce a Warli art, very simple one. If you can learn, see, within half an hour, you learned all these things very excellently. Once you can come into the 1 week, the regular paid workshop, you can learn many things. And now I think you got the confidence that you can learn. And if you can use the same art in your teaching, while teaching your regular subjects, it will integrate, it will be more effective. It will add advantage to your teaching. Okay, friends, now I introduced what the origami, the basic things, and I taught models, 2 models. And next things, this is also the best art. In addition to that, you can add the play methods and role play methods and puppet, all these things. But I'm not dealing with all the things, just I'm dealing only origami and Warli and other models I'm going to show you now. Okay. So this is one model, this is called Kirigami. See, in the Kirigami, you can see this is only, there are many other models also there. So tomorrow I'll post some photos also. See, simple A4 paper, we cut it in a different manner. See, it will fold like this. With this, you can fold the Taj Mahal, Eiffel Towers, all these things. In the pandemic, 1 month, I taught some of the students, they learned very well and they made almost more than 50 pictures like this. This is called Kirigami art. This is actually for engineering, architecture students also use this art. Okay. And you can very simply, you can make models like this is all comes in the Kirigami. Okay. So many models also there. Right now I don't have all the things. And now I'm going to show you one more other art. This is 2 arts I already introduced. Okay. The other thing is this is called fingerprint art. See the fingerprint art in Telugu, Veli Mudrato Vela Bomma. See, sir, see my photo, not yet. Yeah, very good. Devi Asri, very nice, excellent. Okay, so please wait. I'll give the time to you. In the last 2, I'll spotlight you. You can show it all the things. Okay, just a minute. I'll give you sufficient time to show your all works also. Don't worry. So let me finish what I'm going to teach. All the things. Just after that, I'll give sufficient time to you. Okay, friends. This is called a fingerprint art. So, Veli Mudrato Vela Bomma. My concept is in Telugu, Veli Mudrato Vela Bomma. Okay. So, with this art, we can teach the many models, not only this, okay, and with creative arts. And this is a special models. Okay. And all these things will teach in this. See, when we go to, if you can learn a teacher, acquire this. 1 minute, sorry. ఇప్పుడు టీచర్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ వస్తే అప్పుడు టీచర్స్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ లో టీచ్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో మీ ప్రీ ప్రైమరీ సెక్షన్స్ లో ఉండేటప్పుడు పిల్లల్ని ఎంగేజ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాం సార్, అలో చేస్తున్నారంటే నో, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఏం హార్మ్ కాదు, లో కాస్ట్ తో చేసుకోవచ్చు, చాలా మంచి మోడల్స్ తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ టు tell you one more that is called Tangram. This chala mandi telusu. I think many of the teachers knows that Tangram. Okay, kani they are not using properly. If you can use for teaching mathematical concepts, you can teach for language concepts or many things. Okay, present online lo kuda my online class is going on, and not only that, if anybody wants to learn throughout a year. See, here I have the very good concept. If anybody want to learn this origami, daily 1 origami, like 1 year, is absolutely free of cost. Daily, I'll send 1 video. But what you have to do is, you have to subscribe, you have to make a subscription fees to my Origami Kala Academy is there. Origami Kala Academy lo meer sabyatham teeskunte, 1 year sabyatham teeskunte, itvantivi models daily oka video. Daily morning you will get in our WhatsApp group. Okay, simple model system. In the teaching, all these things will be there, but you have to pay the subscription fee. The subscription fee will be for 1 year will charge only 1,000 rupees. For 1,000 rupees, you will get 365 videos. See, you are spending only 3 rupees for a video. So dead cheap. Okay. Another thing, if you want 6 months, you have to pay 600 rupees. If you want only 1 month, if you want to see only 1 month, just you have to pay 200 rupees. Okay. Once you can pay the subscription fee, daily you will get already this program started. The numbers are going on. See, daily you'll get 1 video. Not only this model, very big models also will be there. Complex models will be there. Daily ఒక వీడియో మీ వాట్సాప్ వస్తుంది. మీ లీజర్ టైంలో ఆ బొమ్మ తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ కూడా ఉంది. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే అలా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay. Another thing, I'm going to tell you about the Tangram. This is Tangram means TANS. It's called TANS. This is actually Chinese old puzzle. Okay. Now see, just observe here. Observe here. See, the low cost లో చాలా తక్కువలో కావాలంటే మీరే అట్టముక్కలతో కట్ చేసి చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అలా కాకుండా if you want this slate magnetic system, this is a special magnetic system. It won't get outside because specially we made it from the manufacturing company. This is special magnet. It's not ordinary magnet. This is slip magnet. Okay. See, magnet wall is lifelong. You can use. Okay. See, just observe here. Here 2 big triangles. Okay. Observe here carefully. And this is parallelogram, you know. Okay. This is a small triangle, medium triangle. See, with this, suppose if you want to give the same pieces to your kids like LKG, UKG, there you can tell them that what is a big, small, medium, colors identification you can teach. See, if you can increase the standards of the students, then ask them to find out big triangles. And ask them to make all the 7 pieces into one square. Okay, now see, with this, how it will transform into beautiful objects. See, you have to use all 7 pieces. See, if you can use 5 pieces, what shape it is? Square. Then you can add these 2, what will be? Observe, teachers. It's very simple and beautiful. Okay. This you can make a bigger one. You can teach in the classrooms. Okay. So if you every management wants from your all the students, if you can consult me, I'll give you a very discount price. This also is readily available. Applying to all the schools we already supplied before pandemic. Okay. See, this is called. Then just change it. So if you can teach like this, what will happen? Student understand the concept of this. A simple changing the shape. See, this is a trapezium. When you change this, it will become parallelogram. When you put this, automatically you can tell the concepts of the mathematical shapes. Everything. See, if you can put like this, it will become triangle. See how it transforms. You can teach easily. You need not work hard. Suppose if you can see masterpiece also available with me, the magnetics. If any teachers wants, we just send a WhatsApp message. I'll give the details. Okay. See, this is with this. I'll tell you now. You can make. You can form different manners. It will become swan. See. See, like this, you can make n number of models. Present right now, we have this set available for sale. If anybody wants, you can contact me. I'll send it through by post. If you can come out through Google Pay. Okay, this is available. With this, we are going to give very big color chart with the 260 pictures with answers and questions, and one drawing book and one handmade bag and A to Z chart. All this is kit will come. Okay, if anybody wants, just message me. I'll send the details to you. Okay. Okay, friend. This is called the Tangram. See, now I'll tell you. So with this, you can tell the fractions. How we are going to teach the fractions. See, suppose in the fractions, just ask the students to tell the fraction of this. What is the fraction of this? So if you can teach these fractions, suppose this is called 1 by 4 because the same pieces will come 4, 1 by 4. Okay, this is called 1 by 8, 1 by 16th, 1 by 8, 1 by 16th. Like this, you can tell different fractions. And not only this, with this you can make, right now I don't have, otherwise you can take a white square sheet of paper and on that, see, with this you can teach other models. For example, see, just I showed that this is a swan or duck. Okay, now what you have to do, ask the students. See, with this you can learn the simple art very beautifully. Okay? Observe. See, ask the students to put a white paper here and take a sketch pen or anything. Just ask the students to draw outline. Once you complete, I think you understood. So once you complete the outline, ask the students to take crayons. Ask the students to take crayons and apply the colors. They'll get very beautiful model. Okay. Once complete, ask them make all the areas outlines. Once you complete outlines, okay, we can draw it very neatly. Then ask the students to apply colors, so it will become very beautiful art. So with this, and not only this, you can tell the students that where is square, where is parallelogram, where is triangle, what is a big triangle, what is a space, a small triangle. Like this, you can teach many things. So like this, these arts you can integrate your regular subjects. See, with the origami, I already told you, not only this, we can make skirts, shirts, and many things. And another thing is this is called mandala art. So mandala art means you have to make circles. With this, you can tell that how many circles there are, what is the radius, and what is the angles. All these things we can teach. While teaching, you can teach the art also. Okay, this mandala art also we can learn. Okay, friends, wait. Okay, friends. Okay, friends, again, once again, I'm repeating this. If anybody want to learn the teachers to enhance their skills for art integration, see from August month, 5 Sundays, 10 hours programs will be there. Just we are charging actually 2,000 rupees for outsiders, for you only 1,000 rupees. Just you are investing only 1,000 rupees for 10 hours, means 1 hour you are paying only 100 rupees to me. Okay, see, actually that is not an amount. Okay, but just I want to promote this art to each and every teacher. I cannot do the free of cost, just I want the minimum basic amount. Okay, next. See, if anybody wants, ఎవరైనా సరే అలా కాదు సార్ మేము అందులో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయలేము, మాకు డైలీ వాట్సాప్ లో ఒకటి కావాలంటే ప్రతి ఉచితంగా వస్తుంది. కానీ ఉచితం అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు మెంబర్షిప్ ఫీజు కట్టాలి. మెంబర్షిప్ ఫీజు కడితే మీకు 1 year కి మెంబర్షిప్ 1,000 rupees, 6 months కి 600 rupees, ఓన్లీ 1 month కి 200 rupees. ఒకవేళ 1 month కట్టి మీరు చూసి బాగుంది అంటే మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ వెరీ వెరీ లో కాస్ట్. ఒక 365 సంవత్సరానికి 365 వీడియోలు వస్తాయి మీకు. ఓకే, 365. సో 365 మీరు ఎంత పే చేస్తున్నారు? ఓన్లీ 3 rupees. అంటే ఒక టీ ఖర్చు కూడా ఉండదు అన్నట్టు. బట్ ఏంటంటే నేను ఒక ఆర్ట్ ప్రమోట్ చేయాలని, ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తే దాని వాల్యూ ఉండదు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గివింగ్ ది ఫ్రీ. ఓకే, ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అవర్స్ అండి. ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఐ ఓపెన్ దిస్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, 1 by 1 ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే యూ కెన్ కాల్. ఓకే, వర్క్ షాప్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే మాకు వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి నా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఉంది, ఆ నా నెంబర్కి మీరు కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో బిఫోర్ దాట్ జస్ట్ అందరూ కూడా ఒక్కసారి జస్ట్ ఒక 2 minutesకి జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఫర్ మై రిఫరెన్స్. అందరూ కూడా జస్ట్ ఐ కౌంట్ 1 2 3. అందరూ ఒక్కసారి ఇప్పటి వరకు నా వర్క్ షాప్ లో చేసిన బొమ్మని ఒకసారి చూపించండి. ఐ టేక్ ఎ స్నాప్. ఓకే, 1 2 3 అందరూ ఒకసారి వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేయండి అమ్మా. అందరూ ఒకసారి వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. అందరూ ఒకసారి వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసి మీరు చేసిన ఒరిగామి పిక్చర్స్ ని ఒకసారి హోల్డ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, అందరూ 1 2 3. Okay, friends. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎవరికైనా సరే ఈ నా వర్క్ షాప్ చూసినప్పుడు ఏమైనా టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉండి మధ్య మధ్యలో చూడలేకపోతే దీని తాలూకా వీడియో లింక్ ని నేను వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడతాను. మీరు తర్వాత వీడియో చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఎవరికైనా కావాలంటే బొమ్మలు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. మీరందరూ కూడా చాలా స్పెండ్ చేశారు నాతో టైం. ఓకే, ఎవరికైనా ఇది క్వశ్చన్ అవర్స్ అండి. ఎవరికైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నా ఏమైనా అడగాలంటే ఓపెన్ ఎండెడ్. ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడతానంటే మాట్లాడచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు హియర్. సో ఎవరైనా టీచర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా సరే మాట్లాడుతూ మేనేజ్మెంట్స్ కానీ టీచర్స్ కానీ ఉండొచ్చు. అలాగేనండి, ఇది మేము స్కూల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కూడా చేస్తాము. పాండమిక్ తర్వాత ఎవరైనా స్కూల్స్ గ్రూప్ గా కావాలంటే కూడా మాతో మాట్లాడొచ్చు. అలాగే ఈ వర్క్ షాప్ ని ఇలాగే కాకుండా ప్రత్యేకంగా ఎవరైనా మేనేజ్మెంట్ మా టీచర్స్ కి ఎస్పెషల్లీగా కండక్ట్ చేస్తామంటే మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైంలో ఆన్లైన్ లో నేను చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నాను. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అలాగే ఎవరికైనా సరే ట్యాంగ్రమ్ సెట్ కానీ ఎవరైనా కావాలి అంటే కూడా నా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడితే నేను అవన్నీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను మీకు. సో నామినల్ కాస్ట్. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా టీచర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడితే ఐ విల్ బి వెరీ హ్యాపీ. సో మీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కావాలి. ఐ వాంట్ యువర్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ప్లీజ్ అమ్మా. ఎవరమ్మా?
సార్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు సార్. ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలనుంది. మా నాన్నని అడిగి ఫీజు కట్టమని అడుగుతాను సార్.
ఓకే నాన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
గురు పౌర్ణమి శుభాకాంక్షలు సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారండి? ఎవరైనా చక్కగా మాట్లాడండి. ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడంటే మాట్లాడచ్చు.
Good evening, sir. Sitapati sir, this is Varalakshmi madam.
నమస్తే మేడం.
Yeah, happy Guru Purnima, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
It's really a wonderful session. I really got a great insight about the arts. Being an art education faculty, you really have given me many more ideas. మా పిల్లలతో ఏవేవి చేయించవచ్చు, ఎలా చేయించవచ్చు అనేది ఇంకా మంచి ఐడియా ఫామ్ అయింది మీ సెషన్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడం ద్వారా. అలాగే మా స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా కొంతమంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. వాళ్ళు కూడా నిన్ను చూసి చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అయి ఉంటారు. ఇట్స్ రియలీ వండర్ఫుల్ సార్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. ఐఎమ్ సో థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
న్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీని ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి ఆర్ట్ రోల్ ఎలా ఉంది అనేది చాలా చక్కగా ఎలివేట్ చేశారు సార్.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మీకు గ్రూప్ లో కూడా న్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ పెట్టానండి. అది కాకుండా కూడా ఆర్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మాన్యువల్ ఉంటుంది. మాన్యువల్ కూడా మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ పెడతాను. ఎవరికైనా అది యాక్చువల్ గా సిబిఎస్ఈ వాళ్ళు రిలీజ్ చేశారు మాన్యువల్. అది పీడిఎఫ్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది. అంటే యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నెట్. నేను కావాలంటే కూడా నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఇబ్బంది లేదు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening, sir.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ మ్యామ్.
I'm Sushma, sir, students of teacher training from Government IT Raichur, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for a beautiful session, and I got inspired to learn more art, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇంకెవరైనా మాట్లాడితే మాట్లాడండి, లేకపోతే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ దిస్ సెషన్.
ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
హ్యాపీ గురు పౌర్ణమి సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఐఎమ్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్ రాయచోటి సార్, టీచర్ ట్రైనింగ్.
ఓకే,
నేను బాగా నేర్చుకోగలిగాను సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
ఓకే, తప్పకుండా. అందరూ ప్రాస్పరస్ టీచర్స్, మీకే ఇవన్నీ అవసరం ఉంటాయి, పాలసీస్ తెలుసుకోవాలి. అలాగే మీకు ఏంటంటే ఆ గ్రూప్ లో మీరు అంటే వెళ్లకుండా ఉంటే నేనేం చేస్తుంటే నేషనల్ పాలసీ అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆల్రెడీ పెట్టాను, మళ్ళీ ఒక్కోసారి షేర్ చేస్తాను. అది తెలుగు వెర్షన్ కూడా ఉందండి, ఇంగ్లీష్ వెర్షన్ ఉంది. ఇది మీరు ఎన్ఈపి అనేది చదవాలి. ఎందుకు చదవాలి అంటే కొత్తగా రాబోయే ఆ పాలసీస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి మీద మీకు పూర్తిగా అవగాహన ఉండాలి. అంటే తెలుగు వెర్షన్, ఇంగ్లీష్ వెర్షన్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి, పీడిఎఫ్ ఫార్మాట్స్. అది చెప్తాను. అలాగే మీకు ఆర్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి కంప్లీట్ మాన్యువల్ ఉంది, ఆ మాన్యువల్ కూడా నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. నమస్తే అమ్మా.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. నా పేరు మల్లిక. మీరు వర్లీ ఆర్ట్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు సార్. వర్లీ ఆర్ట్ చాలా బాగుంది, నాకు కూడా చాలా నచ్చింది సార్. హ్యాపీ గురు పౌర్ణమి సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. చాలా సంతోషం. హ్యాపీ గురు పౌర్ణమి రోజు మీ అందరు గురువులందరినీ, ప్రాస్పరస్ టీచర్స్ ని, జూనియర్స్ ని అందరు కలుసుకోవడం వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎక్కడ మీరు ఇదే ఊరు?
వైజాగ్ సార్, విశాఖపట్నం సార్, డిఏవి పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్, సుజాత నగర్.
ఓకే, నేను కూడా విశాఖపట్నంలో ఉన్నా ప్రెజెంట్. విశాఖపట్నం, అదే మీరు మొన్న కాల్ చేశారు కదా, డిఏవి పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్.
అవును సార్.
మా పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా అక్కడే సుజాత నగర్, అది సుజాత నగర్ కాదు, చిన్నముషిడివాడలో ఉంటారు.
చిన్నముషిడివాడ. నేను కూడా చిన్నముషిడివాడ సార్. రెసిడెన్స్ అక్కడే, స్కూల్ సుజాత నగర్, రెసిడెన్స్ చిన్నముషిడివాడ సార్.
అదే ఆర్టీఓ ఆఫీస్
చాణక్య నగర్.
అక్కడే
చాణక్య నగర్.
నాకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఐడియా లేదు. నాది నేటివ్ వైజాగ్, ప్రజెంట్ నేనేమో గురుద్వారా దగ్గర ఉంటా. అంటే పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా సింహాచలం ఒకళ్ళు, చిన్నముషిడివాడ దగ్గర ఒకరు ఉంటారు. నేనైతే గురుద్వారా జంక్షన్ లో ఉంటాను.
గురుద్వారా సార్. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం ఈ సెషన్ ఎండ్ చేద్దామండి. ఓకే, ఇంకెవరు మాట్లాడితే మాట్లాడచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ ది సెషన్. వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ వండర్ఫుల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు షేర్ మై నాలెడ్జ్. ఓకే, గురు పౌర్ణమి రోజు ఈరోజు మీ అందరితో మాట్లాడడం నాకు చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
బాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి.
బాయ్ సార్.